Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on updating your email notification settings. If you wish to give customers an update via email as to the status of their order, simply click the Edit button next to Email Notification Settings, and then enable the Customer Email Notifications section. This will then allow you to choose the relevant stages at which point you wish to give the customer an update via email that their order has been placed. To turn on the notification for a specific stage, simply click the switch next to each section, and here you can specify the subject, compose the text that will be included within the email the customer will receive. The keywords listed at the bottom of the text box allow this data to be pulled through from the order itself. If you wish to include one of these keywords, simply include the exact text within the email itself, and this placeholder text for the keyword will then be replaced with the specific order details. Once you've updated all of the relevant sections, whether that's specific stages or the text within each of the order confirmations, simply click Save to update your settings. Thanks for watching.